Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to start Python 101 in less than 10 minutes. It's an introductory video to the series and I'll be timing myself. Hopefully we can have this done in less than 5 minutes, and if not, hopefully less than 10. I'm going to pull up my IDE, that's Integrated Development Environment. I'll do another video on this topic, so don't be alarmed. It can look a little bit complicated or complex. All it is an editor to write your script. There are many editors out there, Jupyter Notebooks for example, VSC, that's Visual Studio Code, and to each their own. And in that IDE video, I'll probably go through 2 or 3 of them, and then you can choose whichever one you like. Today, however, I'm going to be using PyCharm as my script editor. If you want to code along and have another editor, that's fine too, as the Python syntax will remain the same. Okay guys, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my PyCharm application, and I'm just going to hit create new project. I'll rename this project to something more meaningful, Hello World for example. Below here you'll see the project interpreter. We won't worry about that right now. We'll go into that on a later video. Here is your project pane, and in your project pane will list the folders and files, all the directories and subdirectories that belong to your project. I'm going to go to the view menu, click on tool windows, and then click on terminal. And this, I just wanted to show that you can access your folder structure from terminal as well, and this is where we'll be running the application from. I am going to create a folder here, an app, if I can actually do that, yes, an app folder, and that's where we'll store our script. There it is, the app folder has been created. But just for a minute, I just want to flip over to the Python console, and we are going to write the syntax that will be implemented into our script. So it's just going to be a print statement to print out the traditional hello world text. And there we have it, that's the syntax. However, this isn't shareable. This is just going to run on my computer. If I wanted to share this or email this to someone, I couldn't. We need to have it in a script format in a Python file, and that's what I'm just creating here right now, hello world.py, and we're going to put the same syntax and have that have that run. Here I'm navigating to the folder, and you can see the hello world.py script, and we're just going to type Python and then the script name along with its extension, and there we see the result, hello world. In Python, and we'll go further, again we'll do this on in a later episode. Let me know if you guys want to do functional programming in Python. I'll do a video on that, but here I'm going to just comment what that hello world function does. That's the basic rudimentary structure of your function in Python. There's a main function, and then we're just going to check. I'm just going to use IntelliSense here to bring up this part of the script in which it checks if the name of the function is main, and yes, then it runs it. I'll change the text here as well, just so that you see that this script is what's being run. And there we have it. Hello world, this is my first Python script. And that's it guys, you've created your very first Python script. In the next video we'll look at building a simple project, maybe a calculator or something in Python, hopefully also in less than 5 minutes. From that video we'll extrapolate various concepts and design patterns. We'll have several projects as we go along in this series and learn various scripting programming concepts. Please leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for the content or recommendations. I'd love to hear them. Hit that like button if you like what you see, and share with others if you think they'd enjoy it and or can learn from it. Do subscribe to the Dev Life and hit that little bell notification icon so that you can get updates as I release new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.